welcome you in a new informative AI video. Firstly, me and my all team members want to say a huge thank you to everyone who supported our channel and videos. Your encouragement means the world to us. We appreciate your enthusiasm and will keep bringing you more great content. Alright, coming back to this video. This video provides information about the two upcoming Indian hackathons, specifically in the field of artificial intelligence. If you want to know about the hackathon, what is it, its importance, including networking, jobs, along with some examples of AI hackathons, please watch our previous two videos. Top cybersecurity and cyber AI hackathons in India and top AI hackathons in India you should know. The links for the same are included at the end of this video. Alright, let's start with the upcoming Indian AI hackathons. First one is 5G Innovation Hackathon. This event has been organized by Department of Telecommunications. India Telecom. This hackathon gives platform to students, startups and professionals to develop cutting-edge solutions using 5G labs across India. The problem statements covers areas such as AI-driven network maintenance, IoT-enabled applications, smart healthcare, industry automation, quantum communication and more, to innovate and develop prototype application solutions to access to 5G labs. The aim of this hackathon is innovating the future with 5G technologies. The application deadline of this event is 15th April 2025. The price range is 50,000 rupees to 5 lakh rupees. So hurry up, if you want to do something innovative in the field of 5G, this is the great platform for you. Next hackathon is Mineral Targeting Using Artificial Intelligence. This event has been organized by IndiaAI along with the Geological Survey of India, GSI, under the Ministry of Mines. This hackathon aims to explore critical minerals such as Re, NiPG and copper, etc. within a predefined area in the states of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, India, utilizing AI/ML to detect concealed and deep-seated minerals deposits through deep modeling, data cleaning and integration, predictive mapping, visualization of exploration targets. The application deadline of this event is 12th May 2025. The price range is 5 lakh rupees to 10 lakh rupees. So hurry up if you want to do something innovative in the field of minerals. This is a great platform for you. In this brief video, we have understood and learned about the two upcoming Indian AI hackathons. These hackathons are the great platform to learn and explore and showcase your talent. Please look into it and participate into it. If you want to know more about this, please go through the corresponding links in the comment section below, or you can contact us for better understanding of this. Thanks for watching this video. Contact and follow us for more stuff about AI. Please like, share, subscribe for more visibility. Thank you.